last month. And the Bible teaches that we have this thing down inside of us. This is what Christ taught. This is what the Bible teaches from Genesis to Revelation, that we have a disease.
It's not a matter of what I believe, it's what the Bible teaches. The Bible teaches that premarital sex relations are wrong.
It's funny, to me that would be like, like driving a car, getting a driver's license without the
And what we're saying is we're going to play a baseball game without any rules. We're going to play a football game without any rules. We're going to live a life without any moral rules. Well, God,
right?
Well, I don't intend to take it. No, but
if we break in one point, we're guilty of all. And then when Jesus came after Moses, he explained that the Ten Commandments can be broken in your heart by thought and intent. So in that sense, we're all guilty, and that's the reason the Bible says that everybody's a sinner.
because all the way God was teaching Israel, all through the Old Testament, that there was one God, only one, that we're to serve and we're to worship.
Right, and that doesn't seem to you as, say, an ego-denying position.
On God's part, oh no, God is perfect.
Yeah. It's funny, when I look in the mirror in the morning, it's hard for me to believe that.
In God's sight, you are beautiful.